How to transfer Google Photos into USB flash drive. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Google Photos into your USB flash drive. Now, if you're going to be transferring a lot of photos, you're going to have to input that into one single album. Just to do so, open up your browser and just simply access your Google Photos by typing in Google Photos. Choose on the very first one. And once you get here, you're just going to need to log in first before you can download the album. Now, creating an album is very easy. At your left side, you should see collections and simply click on albums, then choose on create album. Now just simply name the album that you prefer, then choose on select photos. Once you choose on select photos, this is going to be the time that you're going to be selecting specific photos that you would like to be transferred into your USB flash drive. Now say for example, you already created the album, simply access it, then click this three dots at the top right and choose on download all. Once you've successfully downloaded all the photos that you have from album, it will be synced into one single folder, and then you're just gonna have to plug your USB flash drive into your laptop or PC, and then go into this PC and access whatever your USB flash drive was allocated. Simply click and drag on that specific file that you downloaded, and you're done. And that's it. That's how you transfer Google Photos into a USB flash drive.